Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Emily who loved spending time with her grandmother. Her grandmother was a kind and gentle woman who always had a smile on her face and a twinkle in her eye. One sunny day, Emily's grandmother took her outside to her beautiful garden. It was filled with colorful flowers, towering trees, and buzzing bees. Emily had never seen such a beautiful garden before. "Grandma, your garden is amazing!" Emily exclaimed. "How did you make it so pretty?" "Well, Emily, I worked hard on it, but most importantly, I gave it lots of love," her grandmother replied. Emily's grandmother then showed her how to plant a seed, water it, and watch it grow. Emily was fascinated by the process and loved seeing the fruits of her labor as the garden began to bloom. As they tended to the garden, Emily's grandmother taught her about the importance of caring for others and sharing what we have. She showed her how to pick some of the flowers and make a bouquet to give to their neighbor who was feeling down. "Sometimes, the simplest things can bring joy to others," her grandmother said with a smile. Emily's grandmother's garden became a symbol of love and generosity, and it brought the community together. People would stop by to admire the beautiful flowers and chat with Emily's grandmother, who always had a kind word to share. As Emily grew older, she continued to care for her grandmother's garden with the same love and attention her grandmother had shown her. And just like her grandmother, Emily shared the garden's beauty and brought joy to those around her. Years later, when Emily became a grandmother herself, she passed down the same lessons of love and generosity to her own grandchildren, sharing stories of her grandmother's garden and the joy it brought to so many. And so, the love and generosity that started in her grandmother's garden continued to blossom and spread throughout generations. Thank you for watching our videos. We hope you enjoyed them and learned something new. If you liked what you saw, please don't forget to hit the like button, share our videos with your friends, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our latest releases. And if you have any suggestions for future content, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing.